Check it out, people. Stormy clouds. It's like, God, I just made it in here. I knew it was coming. Look. And we've had like these lightnings, see? Here's what looks like that's Kentucky. And if you look up in here, check it out. But over here in the west, it's crazy. And then we just had like this random lightning. One was at 6, I was telling you in my previous video, one was at 6 p.m. Then there was another one at a little after, it was after 7 p.m. So when I was getting on the bus, and another lightning struck. Oh, there you go. Speaking of that,